Sister Squad, don't mind this full coloring on my face because we made some slime. Don't mind it on my hand. If you watch the video outside, and we made this slime outside. Actually, if you actually watch the video, I know you guys can't see, but no, you guys probably can't see. I wish you guys can feel what I'm feeling right now. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the video. Turn on the post notifications so you can get every single video that I post. I just uploaded like 3-4 videos. 2 of them didn't upload right because I guess they said I couldn't upload it on YouTube. But I'm gonna try to upload it, guys, so stay tuned. So I actually made Galaxy slime. This is not the Galaxy slime. I actually made 2 sets of slimes, which was mixed with a whole lot of slimes. I'm about to go get the Galaxy slime along with my personal bag. So I got my personal bag of glue. I'm about to get the Galaxy slime out.
I thought I lost it. So nice of you to find just what I need, Cat Boy. Now that I have the missing piece, I can activate my Robo Cat.
This is my Galaxy slime. It's really beautiful. This is the slime I made in school, so I wish I could have recorded it, but this is the Galaxy slime. I added mad different type of slimes, and then it made this. Look at that. Yes, I'm just revealing you what the slime is and what it looks like. But yeah, so this is both of the slimes that I made today in school. Guys, it's called Squishy and Gooey. It's like Play-Doh. But yeah, this is what I made in school. But yeah, so we about to go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to leave a like. Let's go ahead and get. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Peace. What's up, Sister Squad? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making a DIY, which means slimes do not mind the full color, like I said. So sorry about that. The camera fell. Okay, so today we have ingredients that we're going to need to make this slime. So first off, we have peroxide mixed with water. So it's peroxide mixed with water. That's what you need. 1/4 of a cup of water, and I actually had the measuring cup and then pulled it in there. Then you need probably 2 bottles of glue. It depends on how much you want to make. And then you need some food coloring. Actually, to make this one. So that's what I had together. I have pink, red. I mean, that's yellow. That's actually green and red. I thought I got pink, but I didn't. I can get some more tomorrow. Oh, I did get pink. Okay, so I have those 3 colors. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to leave a like, welcome to this channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, turn on that post notification, and let's get into it.
But you're missing out.
So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the glue, and today we're gonna mix all those slimes.
Huh? What's going on?
We're gonna come back to this.
Oh! It's so cold. What if these weird clouds don't leave and we never get to play summer games again?
We're gonna come back to this
We need to find out where these
glue
clouds
that
are
got.
coming from.
Let's follow the coast. This leads straight to the tank where all the water.
We're gonna mix all of these. See what type of. Cause I already made some galaxy slime. You'll see it in the first. And then I made some other slime, and I forgot to show you this slime that I made in this little baggie. Second, I'm going to add all 3 of my food colors because I want it to be different colors. So I'm going to put 2 drops for each. 2 drops for each one. 1, 2. One, 2. Actually, put 3 there. Then I'm gonna stir it and see what it looks like. Wow, this actually turned out to be pretty. I'm gonna show you guys before I start stirring. But yes, this is what it looks like. But yes, keep stirring it till it forms. Keep stirring it till you don't see no more white. No more white glue. I should have got boo-boo. Keep stirring it till you see no more. Then next we gonna pour our. Wait, I'm gonna add a different color because this didn't turn out yellow. So I'm gonna add yellow food coloring everywhere, and then pink.
What's she doing? Luna power, make clouds. And move them into the tank. What are you up to?
Then I'm gonna stir it.
What a surprise. I knew it wouldn't be long before
I'll see y'all once I'm done stirring.
Why are you making all these dark clouds? No
Peace.
one could play today.
So next I'm gonna pour my regular. This is regular water. This is not the water with the peroxide.
Oh, yeah.
But next I'm gonna pour all of this in there.
Hey, cat boy. Well, look what I've got.
And I'm gonna stir. But what I'm gonna do is turn it upside down and start stirring.
Hate water. So these are rain clouds.
It won't hurt you to start stirring upside down. And this one actually turned out to be brown. So I'm gonna leave this one right there.
Stick to the plan. I can handle this.
Okay, cat boy. Be strong.
Next, I'm gonna pour this in there, and once you start actually pulling that peroxide, you actually need to start stirring automatically, unless it's not gonna form. And there we have it. We have slime. Yes, look at that. And once you have too much liquid poured in there, once you have too much liquid poured in your bowl, you can go in there and pull it out. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to go in there and pull all of this liquid out. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys. So I actually poured the liquid out, and I'm actually still stirring it. Because it already turns into one little cube. And you'll know if it's slime, if it's really, if it's stretchy. And then now I'm just gonna play with it until it forms. So now I'm just doing is what I'm doing is playing with it, no homo, until it forms into what I need it to be, no homo. But 'cause some people be thinking negative, but I'll see you guys when it forms. Okay guys, so this video actually about to end and actually turn into slime. It's actually like poop slime. But I'm gonna record a video introducing all my slimes, and then I'm gonna mix them all together. But let's go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, turn that post notification on, and I love you guys so much. Peace.